अब हम लेकर आ रहे हैं सीजन 2 मेरा कंप्यूटर लैब।
Good morning all of you. Okay, so today topic is scratch coding. तो आज हम जो है स्क्रैच के बारे में आपको बताएंगे स्क्रैच कोडिंग। तो फर्स्ट बिगिन फॉर द बेनिफिट ऑफ स्क्रैच कोडिंग। सो इट इज हेल्पफुल फॉर क्लास फर्स्ट टू 8th क्लास. Okay, what is the benefit of the scratch? We are learning scratch. So what the benefit? So benefit one, fun way to learn coding. If you want to learn coding, so fun way we start from the scratch. Okay, scratch is a software, we learn coding from the scratch. Scratch use block like a puzzles. So in the scratch programming, here is the block is given to you. You drag and drop the block and make the story. Okay, it's a like a puzzle game. Okay, and it make learning coding easy and fun. So it is very easy for you all the student because it is very easy and you also fun with this scratch coding. Okay, next step, goods for young kids class 1st to 4th. It is good because no typing needed, just drag and drop block because you have to know typing, no keyword you have to type, just drag the block and drag and drop. Okay, and kids can make a story, animation and game easily. So anyone can make story, animation and game. Okay, and next, improve your thinking skill. So it is helpful for your thinking power. Okay, help in learning logic, problem solving, how to give instruction step by step. So you have to create the logic, your improvement of logic building, problem solving, any problem come in your subject, in your life. So you have to ability to, you have to solve the problem and also you have to build the logic also. Okay, and next, boost creativity. If you don't have a creativity, it is very helpful for your improve the creativity. Okay, creativity for the student is very helpful. Okay, so student can create their own game, cartoon and music. If you learn scratch, so you have to improve your own game, cartoons and music also you have to create by the scratch. Okay, they learn how to turn idea into working project. If you have any idea, so you have to convert into the project because you have to learn scratch, then you have to come idea and you have to project them. You make the project by the using the scratch. Okay, next, encourage storytelling and communication. It is very helpful for your communication. You have to how to communicate, it is improved. Great for interactive story with help with the language and expression. You have to improve your expression, language, communication, it is improved. So scratch is very good for the student. Okay, so from beginning we start from the scratch. You have to improve your skill, logic, problem solving, so many thinking your improve by using the scratch. Helpful for higher class. If you class 5th to 8th, it is also helpful because build a base for learning real programming letter like Python or JavaScript. If you start from the scratch, after that in the higher class when you start Python, JavaScript, it is also helpful because base already improved, base is already made by the scratch. Then you have to learn Python and JavaScript, it is also improved. Okay, it is very helpful for the programming language also. Teach how to computer follow instruction. It is very helpful कि computer how to instruction we are giving or computer how to follow that instruction. Okay, teamwork and sharing. You can share your project on Scratch website and learn from others. It is very helpful. If you make any game, any story, any animation, you have to make in Scratch. After that you have to upload in your Scratch website. So anyone in the world open the Scratch, if your project he like it, then he learn from your project. Okay, and useful in school project. If you make the school project like math game, science animation and quiz program, it is also helpful in your all the subjects. Okay, math, science and all the subjects. So now we started how to run Scratch on website. Okay, so first I open my desktop. Okay, So all of you open your Scratch. Okay. So now first you have to look at here. I open the Scratch. You look on the screen. You have to write here Scratch. Okay. So when you write here Scratch is already installed in my computer. So I open just Scratch. Okay. So now Scratch is opening. So this is the interface of the Scratch. This is the sprite given to you. By default, cat is given to you, sprite. Okay. So this cat we call the sprite. In the Scratch programming, we call sprite. Okay. This is the sprite and this is the work area where we drag and drop these blocks. So these are the blocks given to you. First block is motion block, looks block, sound block, event, control, sensing, operator, variable and my block. These are the block we are drag and drop. So one by one, step by step, we follow all the block, learn. Okay. So first what we do, if you want to choose the sprite, so you have to click here. This is the sprite option. So many sprite given here. So these all the sprite given to you. So like here is the tab all. So all the sprite come. Okay. Now if you want to especially animals sprite, so you have to click here. So these are the animal sprite, and if you want to people, so these are all the peoples given here: fantasy, dance, music, sports, food, fashion, letter. So these are the sprite given to you. If you want to all click, so all sprite given here. Okay. So if you making the any game, animation, cartoon, so you have to choose sprite from the given in the sprite. Okay. So by default I don't choose the sprite, I just only by default given the cat, so I use the cat sprite. And this is the option of the choose backdrop. So here is the all the backdrop given to you for your animation या story. So all by default all is given here, but if you want to fantasy, music, so you have to tab on the fantasy, music, sports, outdoor, indoor, space, underwater and pattern. Okay. So by default I choose the blue sky. Okay. So my cat is given in the blue sky. Okay. Now first block is motion. So I just drag the move block. So just first you have to any project you have to start, first go to the event block. So first you go to the event block, here you drag the when click. Okay. Always start from the green flag. Okay. Now we have to move on the motion block. Here we drag that move 10 step. So when I drop the 10 step, so now I click on the green flag. So my cat is moving 10 steps. So now I click. So my cat is moving 10 steps. It is the 10 step of the sprite. Again I click, again move. Again I click, again move. So now I have to click here. I change the digit. I want to make 50. So here I put the 50. So my cat sprite move the 50 step. This is the 50 step. Okay. You look at. So now again here I type 100. Okay. So I type 100. So my cat sprite is move 100 step. This is the 100 step. Suppose I want minus 100. So it is move minus 100. Okay. So it is back. Okay. Now next block is turn and clockwise direction. Okay. So I turn clockwise direction. I put here 90 degree. So I want कि when my cat, I positive number given here 100. Now I want my cat 100 step move, then it is turn clockwise direction 90 degrees. So look at here. When I click on the green flag, my cat 100 step move, then it is turned clockwise direction. Again I click on the green flag, again it is 100 step move and turn clockwise direction, again 100 step move, turn clockwise direction, again 100 step. This is the clockwise direction when we move to the sprite. So all of you follow these instruction and do your in your computer. Okay. Now anti-clock. So I remove, when you want to remove this. So I want to remove this clockwise direction. I take the anti-clock. Okay. So anti-clock I take 90 degree. Okay. So now our clock sprite is 90 degree move. Okay. So I click on the green flag, my cat 100 step move, then it is 90 degree anti-clock direction move. Look, it is anti-clock move. Okay. Again I click on the green flag, it is move anti-clockwise direction. Now I have to change. I put drag here 90 degree. Okay. Now I take the go to random position. I want to my sprite go to the random position. So it is follow the instruction, green flag, then move to 100 step clockwise direction and go to the random position. Look at here. So I click on the green flag, it is moved 100 step, turn clockwise direction and random position. It is going to the random position. Okay. So all of you follow these instructions. Now next step is very important, x and y. So all of you are know the math. So in the math, x y coordination given to you. So horizontal, when horizontal line means x direction, a vertical direction means y direction. Okay. So now x direction I put 0, in x axis I put 0 and y direction I put 0. So it has come center. Okay, x 0, y 0, my sprite come in the center. Okay. Now click on the green flag. Look, so my cat is in the center position. So it is going to the move to the x direction, x positive direction. When I put the x minus, first I remove the this clock direction block. Okay. Now you have to better understand. So now I put the minus 100. So it is going to the left direction. Look, my cat is moved the left direction. Same as you have to put the y direction, y axis is 100. Okay. So now I click. So it is going to the up. Y axis positive numbers going to the up and y axis minus, so it is going to the down. So now I put minus 100, it going to be down. Okay, it's going to be down. Okay, so y axis positive up, y axis negative is down, x axis is positive right and minus is left. Okay, got it? So this is the Scratch coding program. So all of you do check one by one. Don't tell me. Look on the screen and do it. After that you make your own project. Okay, by using these blocks you have to create in your own block. Okay, do it. Very good, very good, good.